Good night. My name is Jair Sanchez. In recent days, I sent a letter to Ecopetrol organization in which I request to improve the controls of their hydrocarbon production process. This because in this process, oil companies require a lot of water, generating changes in the channels of water source, contamination of the same by the waste generator, and by the high generation of carbon dioxide. The hot extraction method generates a large amount of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases, which go directly into the atmosphere, generating the aforementioned pollution. The coal extraction method applied it well in warmer areas, using diluents to carry out its extraction, generating contamination of the water source around the world, and this is to destroy the fauna and flora of the ecosystems around the area. For these reasons, and many that are known to your company and the people who live near the extraction wells, we generate pollution not only to the area where they are located, but also to the entire world with greenhouse gases. In that, I ask you to consider what it's proposing in the letter. In the letter, I propose to you use another alternative ways of energy product, maybe wind energy. The use of alternative energies and that can be implemented in large areas where oil pumping stations are located must be considered. Wind energy is a great alternative that can even provide the country with economic income and decrease in tons of CO2 currently generated by the company. Ecopetrol is an oil company what has a great social responsibility with the environment and with people. It is time for them to show that they care about nature as they do about business. It's for the future of the people, the country, the world, and the animals and plants in that ecosystems. But that reason, this video is for to complement the letter sent in a few days. Thank you for your accomplishment. Thanks and regards. Goodbye.